The light is great too.
Yeah.
I think I might need you to text me that later.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Alrighty.
Knock on beautiful cedar.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, it's bad if it does that. And go ahead, guys.
Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is lift this here up and put another block in there.
Like this one?
Like one of those things for this one here.
Oh, yeah.
Just so that when it rolls over, I'll have something flat to sit on. And yeah, see, this here's got a really small surface to sit on. Except for that end.
Oh, yeah, I see. It's flatter.
Yeah, we'll have to put on that. Might just move this whole thing over that way and then sit it up there on top of it. But I guess it would help to pull the bark off this.
Yeah.
So if you sit here, I won't do it once, but I will sit here like this. So lift that up, pull that bark off, and then slide that over. Slide the whole thing over. So I can roll it up that way. Actually, I have to roll right over. Yeah, right over. So that this here's on the bottom. So I'm gonna put that up right on top of here. And move all that stuff out of the way.
That's
Really dusty.
this one too? Oh, this
All
is
of it,
heavy. Woo, sweat. Like that?
Yeah.
This one
Is
too?
that what it is? So, yeah, just roll right over. Do the shear line next. That's what's next on that thing.
What is that? The rocker or what is that?
Shear line. It's on the top of the hull. Goes from the back, from the bow.
Oh,
That's
the
called
curve?
the shear line. Yeah.
okay.
Like that. It's not straight across.
Yeah.
So this canoe's going to have sides added onto it too. Right? We're going to make it narrow and rocky.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, because it's not that deep, eh?
But you have sides on it, and it's safe to be in there. Just a little bit from here, or from here, and then from here. But you never know until it gets cut. Yeah, this side too, maybe just a little bit. about that wide for his bottom line.